Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another tutorial of UK Textions. Today we will discuss about Python. What is Python? Python is an object-oriented programming language. It's a high-level language and general-purpose language. Python is easiest programming language than Java, C or C++. It's used to make web applications, GUI or desktop applications or use big data. So to start Python, we have to download its application, desktop application, to run our code. So let's type Google over here, right, and then download Python, and then click this link and then download this. So after downloading Python, you will get this file, you will get this execution file in your downloads. Double click on this window will appear. Because I have already installed Python, I don't want to uninstall or repair or modify. So you will just want to click install on this next install in the wherever you want to install it, and click install, and then it will install. After installation, you will get this window, right? So let me create a new window over here, new file over here, and let me delete it. Okay, so you will get this window, right? So before starting, save this file as first Python. .py is the extension of file, right? So let me show you. Type print, open bracket, open quotation, say hi, close quotation, close bracket, and then press F5 or use run module. After run module, it will say source must be safe. Okay, so let's save this, and this will print hi, right? It's the easiest language ever. So let me show you how it will work with variables and strings. So we are writing over here in this file, and we'll execute this code in this file, right? So let's say, so there are some basic rules to learn Python. Like if I want to comment the code, I will say comment this code, right? So let's save it and run it. It will just print hi, right? So in Python, we don't want to initialize data with its data type, right? I don't want to write int a equals to 0. So what it will do, it will says after running, so let's save and then run. So it will says invalid syntax because data types are not valid in Python. So what we have to do, we just want to say a equals to 0, and we don't need to use terminator over here, right? So let's print a and save it, and F5, and let's wait. So what says hi 0, right? So if I want to print a variable with the text, right, or with a string, so let me say a value is and then concatenate sign plus, and then print. Let me save and run it with F5. What it says, trace back. It shows an error, only type error, only can concatenate a string or int or to a string, because we cannot use here a variable with a string value, right? If we says 2 plus a, what it will say, let's save it and run, it will display 2. So what it says, we can't print a string with an integer, right? So what we can do here, print a string uruj, then plus, and then space Khalid. What it will say is, you can print it. Let's save and F5. But it says, okay, I just forgot to mention here. So let's run, control save and F5. What it says, Oruj Khalid, right? So these are the basic things we have to discuss while learning Python. So let's start with variables, right? So let's start with variables. So first point is, we can't use data types to initialize a variable. Like I can say is x equals to 2, y equals to 4, and z equals to 0, right? Let print this message by multiplying these value. So x multiply by y multiply by z, what it will return? It will return 0. So let's F9. So what it return? It returns 0 over here, because 2 into 4 equals to 8, 8 into 0 equals to 0. So what it's print? 0, right? So we can also use a string with a equals to, okay, I have used a, so let's b equals to Khalid and print b. Let's save it and run it with F5. What's it say? Khalid. Okay, so after printing b, what we have to say, we can store string values like this with single and double quotation. String variable with single and double quotations, right? So how can we a print c, okay, and e equals to a and print e. So let's save it and run it with F5. It says a string can store with single quotation and a string can store value with double quotation. So that's it for today. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, do comment, subscribe and share it with your friends. Also like our Facebook page, which is UK Tection, and I will share the link in the description. Stay connected, stay safe and stay happy, healthy. Allah Hafiz.